This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 30th, 2023. It's currently May 18th, 2023, 9:14 p.m. Eastern Time. Ethereum at the time of this reading, currently $1,803.73. That's USD. And the shuffle file for June 30th was created on May 6th, 2023 at 11:32 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme and behavior, we have a nullified virtue card. My sense is there's a lot of Ace of Cups energies going on here, guys. My sense is that we probably have a lot of... It's a mixed day, but we probably have a lot of drops in the midst of like this move. Overall, probably to the downside, and then a big move at the end of the day to the upside with this Swiftness card, which is a cross-reading congruency on the overview, on the 1 month overview. So behavior around the highest high and important resistance levels highlighted. This is important on a multi-day scale. Probably see a higher price level and a lower price level, a significantly higher price level and a significantly lower price level within close time proximity to this, like within the next few days. So this would be a good price level at the high to position oneself in both directions with the amount of price change near the high. Behavior around the lowest low. Out of the low, there's a period of bumping along resistance, breaking through resistance, bumping along resistance. And then I'm advised to trade around a failed attempt to break through key resistance on a one-day scale, followed by a decline through key support on a one-day scale. In the first couple hours, there's an important resistance highlighted. Looks like we decline off of that important resistance into a low there between 2 and 4. Out of that low, between 2 and 4, there's a breakout to the upside on standing out on a one-day chart, and that takes us into some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level there between 4 and 6 a.m. A move higher through resistance between 6 and 8. We stay above it briefly. We break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter, and there's a lot of price swinging going on here around 8 a.m. We have a prominent move higher standing out on a one-day chart. We also have a decline off of that prominent move higher. Might be able to open up some protection here as well. There's a possibility of that at a key resistance level where we kind of like flatten out volume-wise and volatility-wise. Between noon and 2, we have a prominent crest that'll stand out in the midst of some price swinging along a key support level. Trough around 240-ish, and the 3 pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp drop to meet that trough there, probably around like 3 o'clock. There's a crest between 4 and 6 that we sell off from down 2 and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse it as support. And then we fall pretty notably from a resistance level that we bumped up against many times there between 6 and 8. We fall pretty notably from that resistance to a trade opportunity where we would cash out of possibly a short position that would have been opened here around the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. time. And then we established support between 8 and 10 p.m. There's a big move around 8 a.m. to the upside. We have another high there, or another crest, I should say, for the day. Sharp drop around 10, and then a fast sudden move higher that'll really stand out on a one-day chart there between 10 and 12. Overall, I think it's probably pretty sidewaysy, but with the skew kind of like to bigger volatility, like a lower low at the end of the day and possibly a high at the end of the day as well. In any case, that's Ethereum for June 30th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Most importantly, make sure, as always, to follow that rule of karma when profiting from this information. A successful Terra Traders trade it includes donating 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, donating 5% of the profits back to the channel through one of these links, and then spending that 90% left over out of love. As long as you spend that money out of love and you follow these rules, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.